Want to turn your sunny mountain photo into a peaceful night scene? You don't need to wait for sunset. I'll show you how to do a perfect day-to-night conversion with Photoshop. Let's get started. Go to the Adjustment Layers panel and select Curves. Drag the center of the curve down slightly to darken midtones. Then, add a Brightness Contrast Adjustment layer. Brightness, 9 of 40, Contrast plus 10. These settings flatten the strong sunlight and prepare the image for a softer nighttime look. At the bottom of the panel, click the Adjustment layer. Choose Color Lookup. In the Properties panel, you'll see drop-downs under 3D LUT File. Choose Moonlight.3DL or CrispWinter.Look. Set opacity to around 60 to 70%, depending on how moody you want the scene. If you don't see Moonlight.3DL, click the drop-down arrow to expand all LUT options. If missing, you may need to reinstall default LUTs or try the following method. Add a solid color fill layer, use dark navy blue, set the blending mode to soft light, lower opacity to 35 to 40%. This gives your entire image a subtle night cast. Since skies are key in night scenes, let's handle that next. Select Pick Layer, then go to Edit, Sky Replacement. Click the small folder icon with a plus sign at the bottom. Select and upload your own starry night sky image, JPEG or PNG. Adjust these settings. Shift Edge, start with 20/20/30. Fade Edge increases the softness of the sky transition into the mountain line. Set this to 30 to 50 to avoid harsh edges. Now your scene should feel calm, cool, and naturally lit. And that's how you turn a bright mountain day into a peaceful night scene in Photoshop. If this helped, hit like, leave a comment showing your result, and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tricks.